In this video, we're going to show you how to set up the integration with City Electric Supply. This integration with CES will allow you to import your discounted pricing into your estimates in seconds, as well as purchase from CES with just a couple clicks. To start, we're going to go to the admin page, and you're going to make sure that your company profile is entered correctly for everything you see here. Once this is done, we can click Save, and we can close this tab. Now we're going to go to the database, and we're going to go down to Pricing. Now we're going to add a new supplier profile by clicking on New Profile, and we're going to call this CES, and click Save. And once we click on this, you're going to enter in the information, and this information is that of your branch and the person that you deal with at your branch. Once you have this information entered in here, the items to note is that your account number has to be correct for your City Electric account, and that the account email is not the email you use for Quantify, but this is your account maintenance email with City Electric Supply. It's also the email that you would use to sign into their e-commerce platform. Once you have all this in there, be sure under Integration to click the drop down and select City Electric Supply. From here, you click to save your profile, and you'll get a green message that tells you everything is saved. If anything is wrong, the system will tell you that there is an error. The first thing to do is to go back and make sure that all your information has been entered in correctly, and if you're still getting an error when you try to save your profile, please reach out to us and we'll help you to get this worked out. To reach out to us, it's nice and easy to go back to the estimate screen, click on the help icon, and you can send us an email directly, or feel free to email us at support@patabid.com. From here, we're going to open an estimate and we're going to go to the summary screen. You'll see that there's now a CES button at the top of the page, and when we click this, you can select which City Electric profile you want to use. You may have multiple City Electric profiles that you need to enter into the system. You can only have one account number with City Electric per pricing profile in Quantify. But if you have multiple City Electric account numbers, maybe because you work in different regions, or if you have different tax requirements with different accounts, you can just create multiple supplier profiles back in the pricing page, each with their own account number and relevant branch information. So once I click Next, the system is going to go and collect the pricing from City Electric. And this pricing is live. It is not stored or updated every 12 or 24 hours or anything like that. Every time you click Next to go and get to this screen, it's going to ask City Electric Supply for the updated pricing. It is up to the second pricing. We can see here that we have all of our quantities, our current price in our summary screen, and then the CES price for everything the system was able to collect a price from them. And you can see these check boxes on the right hand side. If there's something you don't want the price for, you can simply uncheck those boxes. Now, to bring this pricing into our summary screen, to bring it into our estimate, we simply click Import into Estimate. We can see that the price has been applied, and when we click Close, all of these items have been updated with the City Electric Supply that we can see here. This is a nice and quick way to get up to the second pricing updates into your estimate anytime you want. Now, once you've won the job, we can go back and click the CES button. Click Next. It's going to grab the pricing again because it will every time. And if it's been a bit of a time in between when you submitted the job and when you've won the job, this gives you a chance to check whether the pricing is still good or if anything has changed too much. But once you're ready to purchase, we can click the Purchase from CES button here. And in this screen, you can see that you have a quantity column. This allows you to change quantities if you want to. So you don't have to order all of the material at once. You might want to stage the orders over time, and you can simply change this to say, I want maybe 8 instead of 5 of those. I want to order extra. I only want 20 feet of cable. I don't want any screws or any wire. So we've modified our order here, and the next thing to do to get it shipped is you're just going to enter in the address of where you're going to ship to. Also note that this price you see right here is not the final price. This is a subtotal price. So any applicable taxes or other fees or charges that may be applicable to your order will be added on by the CES branch that you're ordering to. This is explained here in this note, so please understand this. And once you place the order is then left Quantify. It is a live order that's going to be fulfilled with that branch and delivered to where your project address that we've entered in here. If you need to make any changes or question about anything once the order is placed, you're going to have to call your branch and deal with them because this is now left Quantify. So if I click place order, we see that the order has been submitted. And when I close it and refresh this page, we can see that we now get an ordered quantity column. And we can see that I have 8 of the 5 receptacles. I've ordered extra, so it's in red here, just to let me know you've done something higher than the amount you should have. And then for the rest of them, it's telling me I've ordered 20 of 50 and then 0 for everything else. So this lets you know what you've ordered extra or what you've completed ordering or what you still have left to order. And if I click this button again and go back through and click purchase again, it's going to give me the updated amounts here. So it's not telling me I have 50 feet of cable, which was in the takeoff. It's telling me I have 30 feet left. Also be aware, it's going to calculate the quantity for the receptacles here because I've ordered 3 extras at -3. So we're going to want to zero that out for the next order we do. But this is how the system will help you keep track of what you have left to order. So there you have it. With just a few clicks, you can get up to the second pricing and purchase material from City Electric Supply. Thanks for watching.